Sakubona mfundi, ngiyakwamukela ukusifundo se-11. Ngizacela ulalele indatshana le. So here is the short story. Namuhla kuyatshisa. Ngakho uMusa loSipho baya echibini ukuyobhukutsha. uMusa ngudadewabo kaSipho. Bahamba lenja yabo 𝑊𝘆𝑚𝑧𝑤𝑎𝑛𝑔𝑒𝑑𝑤𝑎. So uMusa loSipho bayakuthanda ukubhukutsha. Kodwa 𝑊𝘆𝑚𝑧𝑤𝑎𝑛𝑔𝑒𝑑𝑤𝑎 akakuthandi ukubhukutsha. Kodwa uyathanda ukulandela uSipho loMusa. uMusa yinkazana eleminyaka engama-10, kukanti uSipho, umnawakhe uSipho, ngumfana oleminyaka eyisithupha. So that's the short story I had for you today. Let me see if I left any detail. Yep, that's the story. So namhla kuyatshisa. That's one thing you need to understand. And uSipho loMusa baya echibini ukuyobhukutsha. So let's get into the meaning of the story. Okay, so how we're going to do it today, we'll do it a bit differently. I'm going to ask you questions from the short story that I just told you, and you will get your comprehension as you answer these questions. All right, so the first question is this one. Namuhla umkhathi uminjani. Umkhathi means the weather. So namuhla umkhathi uminjani. Okay, what's the weather like today? A, izulu liyana. B, ilanga liyatshisa. And C, kuyagodola. So from the story that I just told you, uminjani umkhathi namuhla. Ilanga liyatshisa, right? Ilanga liyatshisa, which will then explain the next one. But before we get to that, second question, uMusa yini kaSipho? uMusa yini kaSipho? So how are they related is the question. So uMusa ngudadewabo kaSipho. Is that what you said? uMusa ngudadewabo kaSipho. What if you wanted to start the sentence with uSipho? What would it be like? Because right now you just said Musa is Sipho's sister. How do you then say Sipho is the little brother to Musa? uSipho ngumnawakhe kaMusa. Right? Ngumnawakhe. And then there is a sentence I said, which was uSipho loMusa baya echibini. What does it mean? What is ichibi? So ichibi is a pool, right? So if I say uMusa loSipho baya echibini, what am I saying? Musa and Sipho are going to the pool, okay? Sipho and Musa are going to the pool. Next question. Inja kaSipho loMusa ithiwa ngubani? Inja kaSipho loMusa ithiwa ngubani? 𝑊𝘆𝑚𝑧𝑤𝑎𝑛𝑔𝑒𝑑𝑤𝑎, right? That's the name of their dog, 𝑊𝘆𝑚𝑧𝑤𝑎𝑛𝑔𝑒𝑑𝑤𝑎. Now that word, have you ever heard it before? Do you have an idea what 𝑊𝘆𝑚𝧬𝑧𝑤𝑎 is? So 𝑊𝘆𝑚𝧬𝑧𝑤𝑎 is the conscience. All right, 𝑊𝘆𝑚𝧬𝧬𝑧𝑤𝑎, right? So let me give you an example of a sentence that uses the word 𝑊𝘆𝑚𝧬𝧬𝑧𝑤𝑎. You would be like 𝑊𝘆𝑚𝧬𝧬𝑧𝑤𝑎 wami awuvumi ukuthi ngiqambe amanga. My conscience doesn't allow me to lie. 𝑊𝘆𝑚𝧬𝧬𝑧𝑤𝑎 wami awuvumi ukuthi ngiqambe amanga. Okay, so that's the name of the dog. Number 6, here's a question for you. uMusa loSipho bayathanda yini ukubhukutsha? Yebo bayathanda ukubhukutsha. Okay? uSipho loMusa bayakuthanda ukubhukutsha. 𝑊𝘆𝑚𝧬𝑧𝑤𝑎 ke uyakuthanda ukubhukutsha? Hatch, umzwangedwa akakuthandi ukubhukutsha. If you remember from the story, Sipho and Musa are excited to be going swimming, but umzwangedwa doesn't like to swim, right? Kodwa ke, uthandani umzwangedwa? What did I say? Umzwangedwa uthanda ukulandela uSipho lo Musa. He likes to follow Sipho and Musa. Okay, so the dog likes to follow the children. Okay. Number 9. Umusa ule minyaka emingaki. What did you say? Umusa ule minyaka elichumi, right? uSipho ke ule minyaka emingaki. So uSipho ule minyaka eyisithupha. All right. Right, so the idea here is to sharpen your listening skills. All right. If you're able to listen to a short story like this and remember some of the things and answer the questions like you've been doing, then it means we're making progress in all this. All right. It means we're making some very good progress. So you encountered a new verb today, which is ukubhukutsha, right? To swim. Ukubhukutsha. That's how you say to swim in Ndebele. So let's use it in sentences so that you so that it sticks and you're able to just use it when you're talking to people. Okay. So first of all, how would you ask the question, do you know how to swim? How would you ask that question? Uyakwazi yini ukubhukutsha? Or uyakwazi ukubhukutsha? That's how you ask the question. Do you know how to swim? And the first answer could be, yes, I know how to swim. How would you say that in Ndebele? Yebo ngiyakwazi ukubhukutsha. Right? Yebo ngiyakwazi ukubhukutsha. What about no? I don't know how to swim. Hatch, angikwazi ukubhukutsha. Is that what you said? All right. Next question. I want you to say, let's go and swim. I want you to say it to one person. Let's go and swim. Asihambe siyobhukutsha. Asihambe siyobhukutsha. Right? Or asambe. We normally just say asambe siyobhukutsha. And then how would you say it to many people? Let's go and swim. How does that sound? Asihambeni. Okay? Asihambeni siyobhukutsha. Or in shortcut, asambeni siyobhukutsha. All right. So that's all I have for you in this lesson. And as usual, I'm going to ask you to do your assignment, send it back to me, and let's discuss it if there is need to. Okay. It's been lovely having you today, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.